Hello, hi, Miss Shakila. Nice to meet you. Wow, you're so cool. Welcome to our BSB 2022 Indonesia.
Yes.
I think got so many products here. Can you just try to explain to us your product range, Apple product you have?
Okay, hi, I'm Miss Shakila. I'm from Amipro. Okay, under Amipro we have three brands, which is Zavania, Novesis, and Gili. Okay, so first Zavania is we come from head to heel, skincare, body care, and hair care. So this one we have face mask, scrub, moisturizing gel. This one also face mask. So the best thing from Zavania product, we have face wash, which is they don't have it is free from chemical. Everything is 100% natural ingredient base. Okay, when we use it, there is no soap, which is gentle to our skin. Okay, SL's free, and the best is everything is halal. Okay, and we also have a face cream. Face cream we have many types. So
Can I?
yeah, sure. You can try our product. You can see the texture is watery cream. If you apply on your skin, okay, apply only little bit. Okay, it's already spread all over on your skin. You can taste and feel it. It's so soft. Okay, this skin nourishing, we have hyaluronic acid. We take from natural ingredients. So if you can smell it,
Yeah.
smell all the herbal and
Yes.
natural only.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. And we also have a serum, face serum, eye serum. Okay. The best thing about this eye serum, so when you apply on your around your eye, okay, you just press here. So we have a roll here
To massage.
to massage your eye. You don't need to use your finger. Okay, you just roll like that. Okay, so this one will help for your eye if you have a panda eye.
Can use for how long? 1 month or?
It depends on.
If normally we apply
Yeah, only little bit only. So it will
Morning and
save.
night?
Yes, only nighttime. We
early
prefer
nighttime.
Yeah.
I see.
During nighttime, our eyes is rest time, right?
Yes, yes, correct.
Yeah. Okay. And we also have a herbal water.
Herbal water.
Yeah, herbal water. This one for our immune. So we have a different type. If, for example, for this one we use for sport. Okay, if you are during your jogging exercise, so we drink this one for our energy. Okay,
So you have how many flavors here?
8 flavors.
8. So all are different here.
Yes,
Even
difference.
I see. Now I understand.
This one for this one for migraine,
Mm-hmm.
and this one for immune.
Mm.
Even also for lady beauty.
Oh.
This one siltic for kecantikan wanita.
Oh.
Ah.
Must drink a lot.
Yeah. Okay. And this one is supplement for our to boost our immune. Okay. If let's say we have fever, flu, so this will help you to cure fast.
That means let's say during
Fast recovery from
okay.
our
Let's say
fever.
after COVID recovery. That's the thing. Okay.
This one also
for sure.
protect our body.
Great. So what is this?
So this one is hand sanitizer, but we produce it as a lotion also. If your skin have dry skin, eczema, so these ingredients will help to cure and soften your skin.
I see. So means not only for one, so I can do it like
Yeah,
this, right?
and if you
Like cream.
smell it, it smell like herbal.
Yes.
Yeah, no alcohol. Okay.
How about this?
This one is lipstick. So we have 5 types of lipstick and 1 lip balm. Yeah.
So you have a series of product range very wisely.
Yeah, for
Apple.
Zavania we have from head to heel.
Oh.
Yes. Okay, and the final product is honey. Okay, this one for slimming, honey for ladies. Okay, and this one for men. What people say, especially for those who going for honeymoon. This one is good for men, married men. So
Honeymoon.
yeah, this black horse we take 2 hours before.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what I
Okay.
mean.
I know. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Wow, so we are asking overall how many products you have uncountable, and it looks like more than 50.
Yeah.
Wow. So now you are looking at distributors?
Yeah, we are looking for distributors. Okay, if you are interested for any natural based product and halal, which is also gentle on your health and skin, you may approach us. Okay, and the best thing is you can get a good price from our company.
Okay, that's great. That's great. I think
Yes.
it's so interesting. It's all made in Malaysia, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Everything is made in Malaysia. We have everything in halal, and everything is also produced in Malaysia. So we
That's
have
great. We
all.
have to promote Malaysia brand.
Yes.
So how you experience these 2 years BSP
uh,
conference?
it's great because we.
Have you met many Indonesian friends?
Yeah, we managed to meet them face to face and let them taste and then try our product, and which is it's very good because they can taste and feel it by themselves.
Okay, so we're going to have next range of our BSP. So in next year, would you like to,
Yeah.
join, and you want to have anyone want to tell our now the Malaysia products?
Yeah,
owner?
I think this event is a good opportunity for us entrepreneur to join, and we take this as an experience on how we can see the market demand on their country.
Oh, great. So I should wish you all the best for these few days your
Alright,
business,
thank
and
you.
so proud about you. So many products. All the best.
All right,
Thank
thank you.